Okay, then. Let's have a dummy run and see how safe it is.
Hey! Whoa! Hey!
Well, here you are back again. After I patiently explained that your mission is completely hopeless, it still is. Though I'm less inclined to entertain you after you broke into my building for the second time. Did you think you could get away with this? There are cameras everywhere. I record everything that goes on day and night. Did you think I'd let you win? Let you save your little neighborhood? Don't you realize who I am? I am Alphonse Perrier du Scheck. I can trace my ancestry back to the founding fathers. Do you know when we lost control of this city? When that ridiculous tomato incident took place in your pathetic little neighborhood. Tearing it down and putting my name up in its place will be revenge of the sweetest kind.
I must find a way to get that little stupid filly off of my railroad.
SpongeBob, no! Don't listen to him! I'm the real Mr. Krabs!
Don't listen to him. He's obviously a robot.
Well, if I was a robot, which I'm not, at least I'm well put together, not some rusted-out steam-driven pile of junk.
Who you calling steam-driven?
You will not strike me. If you did, I would be forced to harm one of my subjects. My workers won't run. The toxin in my stinger makes them very loyal. It works even better on humans than Autobots.
Not again!
I'm the belt champion! Trying to steal my thunder, huh?
Entree!
Oh, I'm sorry, Joe. I shouldn't have done that. Teach me a lesson.
Oh, I'll teach you all right!
Not so mouthy now, huh?
Ouch!